Welcome. This is a Getting Started tutorial for Module Number 1, Introduction to the Best Chance Network program. If you have successfully logged in, you should be at this page. You would click on Trainings upon login, and any enrolled lessons that you're in should be listed for you there. And here you see module number 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on that link. However, this is a progress bar just to let you know how you're coming along. We encourage you to finish the course in one sitting. From start to finish, your course should take no longer than an hour to complete. So this is your lesson progress, but if for any reason you have an emergency situation in your clinic or your practice and you have to stop, it will pick up where you left off and it will tell you how much more you have to complete on this lesson bar here, this lesson progress bar. So let's get right into the tutorial. So after clicking on that link, you have some options at the top of your page. The only features that you will probably be using is definitely training and scores once your course is complete, and I'll explain more about the scores feature later. So here is your lesson home. This is your home base for navigating through your course. Each course is comprised of 4 components: a PowerPoint slide deck, course video, a post-test, and a training evaluation. So, at the beginning of each course, there is a description. It gives you what you can expect to learn during the course, which is provided for you here. And then there are instructions for course completion. So there are written instructions and also instructions that are available through this tutorial. So let's try the first part of the course. So here you have a file that you can download to your desktop, the PowerPoint presentation. So we're going to simply click that link, and that will appear either in your downloads folder on a PC. I am using a MacBook, so it appears in the lower left hand corner or the dot portion of my screen. Now the good thing about this is that you can refer back to this, print it out. If you ever need to review certain aspects of the program, you can simply have that at your fingertips and print it for future reference. So that is how you download your PowerPoint presentation. Once you are done, you always want to click that box under Mark Complete, and then we're going to navigate to the next part of the course by clicking the Next button. Now, as you can see, we just checked that box and it pops up here, so you know that you've completed that part of the course. Now we're here for the course video. You're simply going to click on the embedded YouTube video, click on that YouTube icon, watch the video, and then mark complete. And again, your navigation button pops up for the next part of the course. And now we're going to go to the post-test. So we won't actually enter the course because I would actually have to answer each question of the course, but this gives you basic instructions for how to complete the test. You must have a score of 80% or more to pass. And so once you've completed your course, don't forget to print off your certificate of completion, and you can simply access that by clicking on the Scores tab, and I'll do that. So for me, I received a 90% score on this quiz. Because I am an admin, unfortunately, I cannot print a certificate, but ideally speaking, you see your score here. You click on My Certificates, And for me, since I am in training mode, I am unable to print, but you should see a certificate there for you. You simply click on it. The system will automatically enter your name and give you 1 credit hour for the course. So since we had to go out of our training to get to that feature, I'm gonna show you how to get back. So you go to trainings, and under my courses, it'll list any courses that you're enrolled in. Since I'm in admin, I have all of them listed, but we're gonna click on the course that you are tuning into. So as you can see, your progress bar is at 75% because we've gone through 3 components of the course. And so these are the components that have been completed. And then the final part of the course is giving us your feedback on the training evaluation. So it is a very brief 2-question evaluation. Number 1, rating on a scale of 1 to 5, how your learning experience was for today. And number 2, giving us feedback for future online training topics so we can continue to build courses that meet you, your needs, and the patients that you serve to provide high quality care. Thanks so much for tuning in to the Getting Started tutorial for module number 1, Introduction to the BCN or Best Chance Network program.